When designing a new home, it's easy to focus only on the furniture, artwork, and decor that fill a space. But one of the most impactful design elements is something most people overlook: negative space. Negative space refers to the empty areas around objects, and when used strategically, it can elevate your home's design by creating balance, flow, and a sense of calm. Hi, I'm Tony Alonso, co-founder and lead architect with AV Architects and Builders. And today I'm going to show you how embracing negative space can completely transform your home, enhancing both its aesthetics and functionality. So, first of all, what is negative space in home design? Negative space, also known as white space, is the open area surrounding objects in a room. It could be the space around a piece of furniture, the gap between your sofa and coffee table, or an empty section of wall. While it may seem like nothing, this space is essential for creating a balanced, harmonious environment that lets your focal points take center stage. Negative space is a powerful design tool for three key reasons. 1. Enhances focal points. When your home is overcrowded with objects, nothing stands out. By intentionally leaving space around a key piece of furniture, artwork, or an architectural feature, you draw attention to it and allow it to shine. For example, a statement piece of art on a large, mostly bare wall instantly becomes the focal point of a room. 2. Creates balance and flow. Negative space prevents a room from feeling cluttered or overwhelming. It provides a visual pause, allowing the eye to move comfortably around the space. This is particularly important in areas like open concept living rooms or kitchens, where multiple zones need to feel connected yet distinct. 3. Adds calm and serenity. A home filled to the brim with objects can feel chaotic and stressful. Negative space adds breathing room, creating a sense of peacefulness. This is particularly important in areas like bedrooms, where a relaxing environment is key. Incorporating negative space into your home requires intentional planning. Here are 6 practical ways to use it. The first step in using negative space is editing your home's layout. Many homeowners make the mistake of overcrowding rooms with too many items. Extra chairs, shelves, overflowing with decor, or walls crammed with art. The key to a successful design is knowing when to stop. Choose a focal point for each room, like a fireplace, a large artwork, or a striking piece of furniture, and eliminate any distractions around it. By doing so, you'll allow that focal point to take center stage and create a more refined, cohesive space. 2. Keep some walls bare. Not every wall needs to be covered with art, shelving, or photos. In fact, keeping certain walls bare can add a sense of spaciousness and elegance to a room. For example, a minimalist living room with clean, empty walls makes any artwork or statement furniture stand out even more. This creates a gallery-like feel, letting your pieces have the attention they deserve. 3. Consider furniture placement. The placement of furniture directly affects how much negative space exists in a room. Instead of pushing every piece against a wall, try pulling your seating arrangements away from the wall to create a more inviting conversational setup. Leave ample space between furniture items to maintain balance and flow. Avoid cramming furniture into every corner or allowing pieces to be too close together. This allows for better movement through the room. 4. Embrace minimalism. While you don't need to adopt a completely minimalist lifestyle, taking clues from the minimalism in design can help you maximize negative space. Choose a few key furniture items or accessories and give them room to breathe. For example, a bedroom with a simple bed, nightstands, and a bench can feel more spacious and relaxing than one filled with unnecessary furniture and knickknacks. Less truly can be more. 5. Use negative space to frame features. Negative space can be used to frame architectural details, art, or unique furniture pieces. For example, a dramatic fireplace or statement art piece will feel more impactful if it is surrounded by empty space rather than competing with nearby furniture or decor. Likewise, a well-placed piece of sculpture or a sleek modern chair can be framed by open floor space, making it a true focal point. 6. Play with light. Negative space isn't just about what's missing. It's about how light interacts with the space as well. By keeping areas open and uncluttered, natural light can travel more freely, making a room feel brighter and more expansive. Strategic lighting design, such as recessed lighting or pendant lights, can also enhance negative space by drawing attention to specific areas while leaving others in shadow, creating depth and dimension. Negative space is an essential part of home design that helps you create a balanced, calm, and visually stunning environment. By being intentional with the empty areas in your home, you can make your focal point shine, improve functionality, and cultivate a serene atmosphere. If you're ready to design your dream home, Schedule a discovery call with us at AV Architects and Builders. For more inspiration and expert advice, visit our Learning Center for more helpful resources on creating a custom home that fits your lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design insights. See you next time.